Question 4a, write 124 correct to the nearest 10. So as far as the nearest 10 is concerned, that means that the tens column, which is the 20 that's there, we're going to be rounding this number at or after that 2. The 4 that comes after that dashed line that I've drawn, or after the 2, is not going to change the value of a 2 because it's less than 5, which means the 2 is going to stay the same as it did before. The 1 that's to the left of that and any other numbers that are to the left of that are not going to change, and all you have to make sure is that depending on where the decimal point would be, which comes at the end of the number because it's a whole number, you can't leave any gaps afterwards. So that 1, 2 that you see that looks like 12, there should be a 0 in the end, which, to be fair, any 10 should have a 0 in the end, giving you 120 as that answer. Next part, write the number, basically what I'm saying here, 3,821. So you'd need to write that out in words. 3,821. 821. 21. Next part, write 80.75 correct to the nearest whole number. So the nearest whole number means that we are rounding to the units column, which means that the rounding is going to occur at that 0. This 7 that is here will make that 0 go up 1, so that 0 is going to turn into a 1. The 8 to the left of that will remain unchanged. I don't need to put 0.00 because these zeros aren't needed in our final answer, so 81 would be our final answer. And lastly, find the sum of 1,727 and 1,415 while we're adding these together. You don't even need to set up a sum for this because of the fact that you have a calculator. So plugging this in, you're going to end up with 3,142 as our final answer.